Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. The words a and the are called articles. Articles are used before nouns in a phrase or a sentence. A and n are used with singular countable nouns. We don't use them with plural or uncountable nouns. For example, Neha is reading a storybook. Reena is wearing an apron. Here, book and apron both are countable nouns. Other countable nouns are pen, pencil, etc. Uncountable nouns are the things which we cannot count. For example, stars, water, grains, love. As we all know that an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound and a is used before consonant. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U and consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. We use and before words beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an auntie, an orange, an honest reply, an octopus, an insect, a unicorn, a bangle, an engine, a uniform, an onion, an apple, a flag, an R. Here I would like to explain uniform starts with U but we use A. Why is it so? Because when we say uniform, it gives a sound as U, Y-O-U, and U starts with Y, and Y is a consonant. So we use a uniform. In the same way, our, H-O-U-R, which we pronounce as R, and O is a vowel. That's why we use N. We use the before a noun when we talk about someone or something particular or unique. This is a bag. We are talking about any bag. This is the bag in which I keep my books. Now I am saying about a particular bag. That is why now I use the in front of bag. We also use the before the things which are unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the polar star. We use the before a noun when we have spoken about it earlier. For example, I had an orange. Any orange I'm talking about. But when I say I ate the orange from the fridge, here I'm using the because I know about the orange which is in the fridge. The is used before nouns if the situation discussed is known to us earlier. For example, I entered the room and closed the door. Means I have closed my room door. Manas kept the oranges in the fridge. Manas kept the oranges in her fridge. Generally, we don't use an article with proper nouns. For example, names of people, places. However, we use the with some proper nouns. For example, rivers. the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Satluj. Oceans and sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea, mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas, famous building, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower, some books like the Mahabharata, the Gita, and newspaper like the Economic Times, the Hindu. We don't use the with men or woman like the man, the woman. It's wrong. I hope the explanation about articles are clear to you all. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.